Abdali Grammar School. Discover English 2. Lesson Tell Me Story Grandpa. Chapter number 6. Lesson number 11. 69 Abdali Road, Islampula, Lahore. Story Grandpa. Page number 58. Words Synonyms. Tell, batana. Inform, brief. About, के बारे में. Regarding, concerning. Lived, रहना. Stay, populate. Poor, गरीब. Needy, beggary. Better, बेहतर. Superior, greater. Travel, सफ़र करना. Move, proceed. Place, जगह. Location, area. Far away, बहुत दूर. Distant, far off. Really, यकीनी तौर पर. Actually, surely. Visit, दौरा करना. Call on, stay with. Look at the picture. Tell me a story, Grandpa. Okay, says Grandpa. What is the title of this lesson? Tell me a story, Grandpa. As you are showing in this picture. Who is telling the story? Grandpa. Look at there. I will tell you a story about my grandfather, Carlo. What is the name of the grandfather? The name of grandfather is Carlo. It is a picture. In 1910, Carlo was 10 years old. He and his family lived in Italy. Where was Carlo and his family lived in 1910? In 1910, Carlo was 10 years old. He and his family lived in Italy. Look at there. They were very poor, so they came to the United States for a better life. As you are looking here, they are poor and needy people. So they came to the United States for a better life. This was the first time that Carlo traveled to a place far away. Look at there. How many times Carlo traveled to a place far away? This was the first time that Carlo traveled to a place far away. Really, I am 10 too, says Henry, and Mom, Dad and I visit a different country every summer. What was Henry telling in this story to the grandfather? Henry said, I and Mom, Dad visit a different country every summer. Look at there. Yes, Henry, things are different now, says Grandpa. What was Grandpa replied to the Henry? Grandpa says, things are different now. Page number 58. Words, synonyms. Different, मुख्तलिफ. Unlike, opposed. Easy, आसान. Simple, calm. Because, क्योंकि. Due to, that's why. Crowded, पुरहजूम. Overfill, crushed. Dirty, गंदा. Dusty, muddy. Page number 58. Words, synonyms. Sick, बीमार. Ill, unwell. Arrived, पहुंचना. Come, appear. Know, जानना. Realize, notice. Happened, वाक़या होना. Occur, take place. Checked, मुआयना करना. Examine, inspect. Look at there. How did they travel here? Asked Henry. What was Henry asked to his grandfather? Henry asked, how did they travel here? In this slide, there is a picture of a ship. They travelled by ship, says Grandpa. What was Grandpa replied to Henry? They travelled by ship, says Grandpa. Look at there. It was not an easy trip because the ship was crowded and dirty, as is shown in this picture. What was the condition of ship? It was not an easy trip because the ship was crowded and dirty. Look at there. There was not much food and many people got sick. What was the condition of people in the ship? There was not much food and many people got sick. Look at there. Carlu was sick too, as is shown in this picture. What was the condition of Carlu? Carlu was sick too. Look at there. They arrived at Ellis Island in New York after 10 days. How much time they take to arrive at Ellis Island? They arrived at Ellis Island in New York after 10 days. Look at there. Woo, that's slow, says Henry. Now it's only take about 9 hours in an airplane. How much time an airplane takes to travel from Italy to New York? It takes only 9 hours in an airplane. Look at there. I know, says Grandpa. It's very different today. Grandpa telling to the Henry that things are different today. Page number 59. Words. Synonyms. Scared. खौफज़दा होना, afraid, frightened. Healthy. सेहतमंद, well, fine. Enter. दाखिल होना, launch into, undertake. Luckily. खुशकिस्मती से, fortunately, mercifully. Idea. ख्याल, plan, decision. Awesome, ज़बरदस्त, amazing, stunning. Look at there. What happened at Ellis Island? Asks Henry. What was Henry asked to his grandfather? What happened at Ellis Island? Asks Henry. Look at there. Doctors checked everyone and Carlo was very scared, says Grandpa. What was Grandpa said about Henry? Doctors checked everyone, but Carlo was scared. Why was he scared, Grandpa? Doctors help, says Henry. What was Henry replied to Grandpa? He replied, why was Carlo scared? Doctors help people. Look at there. Yes, but people who were not healthy could not enter New York, says Grandpa. Why were people not entered into New York City? People who were not healthy could not enter New York, says Grandpa. Look at this picture. The clerk asked them many questions. Who asked questions to the people? The clerks asked many questions to the people. What questions, Grandpa? Asked Henry. In this slide, Henry asked some questions about clerk. Grandpa tells, where are you from? Are you healthy or are you sick? Says Grandpa. These types of questions clerk asked from people who entered in New York City. Look at there. Luckily, Carlo was feeling better, so they let him in, and that's why we live here today and not in Italy. Why would they live in New York, not in Italy? Because Carlo was feeling better and clerks allowed him to enter in New York City. That's why they lived here today and not in Italy. Look at there. That was a cool story, Grandpa, says Henry. I have an idea. Let's take a trip to Italy. What was the idea of Henry? Henry says, I have an idea. Let's take a trip to Italy. That's a good idea, Henry, says Grandpa. Let's go next summer. What was the suggestion of Grandpa to Henry? That was a good idea, Henry, says Grandpa. Let's go next summer. Awesome, Grandpa. But let's take an airplane, not a ship. Which kind of traveling they suggest to travel from New York to Italy? But